Ever wondered how to create the perfect melt-in-your-mouth beef bourguignon? This classic French dish, rich with tender beef and a velvety red wine sauce, may seem intimidating, but fear not. Today, unravel the mystery of this gourmet delight, breaking it down into easy, manageable steps. The first step requires gathering the ingredients. You'll need 2 pounds of beef chuck, cut into cubes, a bottle of good quality red wine, 6 cloves of garlic, 2 onions, 4 carrots, a pound of mushrooms, fresh thyme, 2 bay leaves, and a splash of brandy. Don't forget the salt and freshly ground black pepper for seasoning. Now, on to the fun part. Begin by browning the beef cubes in a hot pan with a little oil. Make sure each side has a nice caramelized crust. This process not only enhances the flavor but also locks in the juices, ensuring a succulent end result. Once browned, remove the beef from the pan and set it aside. In the same pan, sauté the onions and carrots until they are slightly caramelized. Add in the garlic and mushrooms, cooking until they release their juices. Next, pour in the red wine, allowing it to simmer and reduce slightly. This concentrates the flavors, creating a robust base for our sauce. Add in the thyme, bay leaves, and a good pinch of salt and pepper. A splash of brandy adds a touch of warmth and depth to the dish. Now it's time to reintroduce the beef to the pan, nestling it among the vegetables. Cover the pan and let it simmer gently. Patience is key here. The slow cooking process breaks down the beef, making it incredibly tender and allowing it to absorb all the wonderful flavors in the pan. After about 3 hours, you'll be rewarded with a dish that's rich, hearty, and incredibly satisfying. The beef should be melt-in-your-mouth tender, the sauce thick and glossy, and the vegetables soft and flavorful. In summary, to make a perfect beef bourguignon, start by browning the beef, then sauté the vegetables. Add the wine, herbs, and brandy, then return the beef to the pan. Allow it to simmer slowly, absorbing all the delicious flavors until the beef is incredibly tender. The result? A luxurious beef bourguignon, brimming with flavor and sure to impress. It's proof that with a little patience and the right ingredients, anyone can create a gourmet dish. Enjoy the process and savor the results. A perfect beef bourguignon is worth the wait. Remember, cooking is an art, and like any art, it requires practice and passion. So don't be discouraged if your first attempt isn't perfect. Keep trying, keep tasting, and soon you'll master the art of beef bourguignon. Happy cooking!